Welcome to Mitra Industries. Today we are going to introduce you to the Mitra Needle Protection Device and show you how to use it. After successful bleeding, hold the NPD with one hand and pull the needle into the NPD by carefully pulling the donor line tube downwards. A click sound means the needle is safely locked in the NPD. This protects us from any needle stick injury or risk of cross contamination. Seal the tube and detach needle along with NPD from the bag. Discard the NPD with the needle in puncture-proof biomedical waste container. Thank you for watching this video.